next one is this. We shipped chat history last week. The state where you reloaded it didn't look so good. Now we made it look better. We planned the query using to get the names and the structure of the query. We plan all the up to 16 previous queries so that we get you this nicer look. And then we say, results not loaded, and then you click the button and load them. This is on my local and it's cached, so it's very fast. So it's very cool. Usually it would have more of a loading state. But and then I don't know if Sarah's going to demo, but since I'm here, I'll just steal her demo. This is entirely Sarah cleaned this up and it works a lot better on mobile, just the chat history. So I think we'll ship this history panel probably in the next week once this is good and goes live.
Even for chat history?
Yeah.
Is it going to run a new query? So like whatever the data is as of today's date, not when you asked. Okay, thank you.
Yep. That's one of the reasons why we both don't want to just run a bunch of queries when someone opens the workbook. So it's just purely load thing. And then also we want it to kind of be clear that if I scroll up here, my data is very static, so it's going to give me the same answer. But in a real system, this would almost certainly give me a different answer, right? From like how many uses there. So I don't want this to be a mismatch when we load it. It's like, oh no, I clicked the button, I ran a new query, I see that the results are different. Yeah.
Thank you.
Other question from your last demo. I'm curious, you showed the time zone, but what are some like other use cases for that?
I mean, in Postgres, not much. In some of these other dialects and the specific ask we have for it, you can set up, set user, like you can put a user in a group and give them some kind of permission attribute based on that group and do, set permission equals whatever on the user attribute thing. And it will then for their session go through and treat them like that permissioned user, like an alternative to OAuth, basically. And it will do also like the downside of OAuth, same thing. Like that goes in the cache key. Everyone with different permissions will get different caches, but at least it's less, it's coarser than that. So at least like different groups will all be able to share cache with each other. But that's like the real reason we built it.
And there are a bunch of other like kind of funky use cases people can do, like define UDFs and like define things that are going to be referenced across other queries too.
And then